everyone, my name is Prakhar. Welcome to my channel once again. In today's video, we're going over a popular problem from LeetCode, that is problem number 1310. That is XOR queries of a subarray. The problem is marked medium, but it is not, I would not rate this as a medium level, but it is the easy problem, right? So so let's break down the problem step by step, and I will explain you how you can solve it using XOR operations, right? If you're not familiar with XOR, don't worry, we will cover that too. Okay, let's dive right in. Okay, let's read out the problem statement at first, and then okay. So we're given an array ARR of positive integers. Okay, also given the queries. Okay, query array. Query I is equal to, okay, queries is the 2D array, right? Left eye, right eye. For each query I, okay, compute the XOR of elements from left eye to right eye. That is okay. And finally, we have to return answer in the form of array. Sure. Okay. Let's go through this example to study or to observe what exactly we need to find out. We need to find out, right? Okay. So yeah, the problem we're solving is quite simple. We're given an array of positive integers. We need to answer several queries. Each query asks for the XOR of all the elements between two indices in the array. Two indices in the array means, see this thing, see this query array. Now what you need to do is from index 0 to 1 in this array, in this ARR means 1 XOR 3 because 0 index and then 1 index. 1th index means 0th 0th index means what? ARR 0, right? ARR 0, that is equal to 1, and first index, right? First index means ARR of 1, which is equal to 3. So the first operation, let's say we are taking up the variable answer array, right? As we are required to return the array, right? So here we are required to return the array. Okay. So let's say answer. So for the very first position, answer 0 will hold this value 1 or 3. 1 or 3. Whatever is the answer yeah, means straightforward. Like 1 is what? 0001. And what is 3? 3 is 0011. Right? Now XOR will be what? 00 will be 0. Right? Again 0. This 1. This 0. So what is the answer here? This will correspond to 2, right? So at answer 0, here it will be 2. Let's see if we are right or not. Cool. See this. Answer 0 is 2, right? This thing, what I'm saying. So yeah, this is pretty much straightforward. We just need to iterate over the array, and yeah, that's it. And only thing we need to take care of is that this inclusive ranges means if we're starting at 0, we're going to the last, right? So yeah, pretty much straightforward. So whatever I just said in the form of story, that same I will be implementing right after it. Okay. Now let's do it. So what did I said? Just focus on that. Okay. We will be taking up an answer variable that will be the type of array, right? New int, right? This will be of queries dot length. This will be of size queries dot length, right? So we will be taking up a variable in k is equal to 0 so that we can put k in form of this, like to basically iterate over this to put values in this answer variable. We will be using k, right? And let's take one more variable, that is global variable, that is XOR answer is equal to 0 because we will be iterating through the answer, right? Through the array, right? And we will be storing, and for every ranges we will be storing that into XOR answer, and that finally into will be shifted to answer array, right? So let's iterate now. The final step is iterating, right? For I is equal to 0, I is less than queries dot length I plus plus. Yeah. Now what did I said? We will be going for the ranges, right? So the first one is int start is equal to what? Queries I, and the first one. First will be 0, right? Int end will be what? Queries I and 1, right? Cool. Now int j is equal to again 0, sorry, start, because this is the index, right? From here we will be getting the index, right? Start. J is less than is equal to end, and again j plus plus, right? Cool. Now XOR answer. For every value we will be taking up the XOR value. So simple. ARR of j, right? Cool. Finally, we will be storing it into answer variable in k, and here XOR answer. Alright. Finally do k plus plus, and make sure that you're assigning XOR answer back to 0, right? Cool. Because we know whatever we do by XORing with 0, the answer will be same, right? Cool. And finally, nothing to do. Return the answer variables, and that's all. Now let's see if our solution works for the sample test cases. Okay, okay. Seems okay. Why? My bad. Let's see once again. Cool. It is passing for the sample test cases. Let's final submit it. Bingo, guys. Bingo. This solution is accepted. Okay. Now it is not that optimal solution, but yeah, this is accepted on LeetCode. But if you want optimal solution, I can make a video on that as well. And for the hint purpose, I can tell you that it will be the prefix sum concept, if you know how that prefix sum used to work. Here we used to take up the concept like prefix or, and that's all. Okay, if you want the video on that, I can have it. Okay, let's do it in the next lecture. Okay, for sure. Next lecture for sure. Okay, fine. Cool. Okay, that wrap ups today's explanation. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I will be happy to help. Okay. So, okay, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Keep coding, guys, and as always, stay curious, right? Bye bye.